In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to link Steam account to Star Wars The Old Republic. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly connect your Star Wars The Old Republic account to Steam. So, first, if you go over to Steam, the game is available, you will download it, but you might be curious on how to transfer your progress, because maybe you play using the standalone launcher. Well, it's actually simple because when you open the Steam version of the game for the first time, it's going to ask you to sign in with your Star Wars The Old Republic account. And immediately upon doing this, the link will be established automatically, so you don't have to worry. If for whatever reason your Steam account has already been linked to another Star Wars The Old Republic account, what you can try to do is sign into your account, go over to the account management page, and in here you will find the Steam account option. Then all that you have to do is click this option here and you will see if there is a Steam account attributed. So for my Steam account at this current moment, there is no Steam account linked to your Star Wars The Old Republic account. So in this case, all that I would have to do is to run the game through Steam, sign in with my email address and password, and immediately upon doing this, I would be good to go. However, if you already have a link established, like I mentioned, you will need to sign into both the Steam account and the Star Wars The Old Republic account. And then you can use this menu on the account page to unlink it for whatever reason if you are encountering problems while trying to do this. But to keep it simple, in summary, you don't have to do it through the website, you don't have to visit any sort of external page. All that you have to do is download and run the Star Wars The Old Republic launcher through Steam. And immediately upon doing this and signing with your pre-existing account, your progress will be transferred over and the link will be established automatically for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to link Steam account to Star Wars The Old Republic. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.